Take out the product and accessory pack. Attach the protective stickers from the accessory pack to both flat brackets. Put on the gloves included in the accessory pack. Check the sunshade for any damage. Install the brackets at the two rear corners of the sunshade. Move to the back seat. Use a prying tool to open the cover behind the center armrest. Connect the sunshade power cable to the car's power source. Hide the power connector under the recessed area. Tuck the wiring into the left side gap of the center armrest. Close the armrest cover. Push the front driver's seat forward. Use a prying tool to hide the wiring under the carpet. Open the cover under the driver's footwell using a prying tool and hide the wiring inside. Close the cover. Open the lower panel under the driver's seat. Close the panel, ensuring the wiring is securely hidden inside. Pull down the door seal on the front door. Use a prying tool to open the corresponding panel and route the wiring upwards to the top of the door. At the airbag location, tuck the wiring above the airbag. Continue routing the wiring to the middle of the vehicle. Insert the prying tool above the airbag and push the wiring into the car through the gap. Pull the wiring into the interior and hide it within the interior trim until it reaches the middle part of the vehicle. Restore the door seal. Open the trunk and clear it out. Fold down the rear seats. Insert the front end of the sunshade with the button into the trunk, aligning the right side of the sunshade with the bottom right corner of the trunk. Adjust the angle and slowly push it into the interior. Once the sunshade is inside, lift the front end and push it forward against the front seats until the entire sunshade is inside the car. Move to the rear seat. Lift the sunshade and insert the brackets directly into the rear roof trim. Move to the front driver's seat and connect the power plug to the left side of the sunshade controller. Lower the car's sun visor and lift the sunshade, securing it with the sun visor. Insert a prying tool into the left upper trim and use another prying tool to lift and secure the sunshade bracket. Assist with another prying tool in your hand to fully insert the bracket into the trim. Repeat the process for the right side. By following these steps, you have successfully installed the sunshade.